Hey guys, this is Dale with Old School Rides, and I stopped over at a buddy of mine's place and I haven't seen it in a while, and he's got all this cool little memorabilia and stuff besides a whole bunch of old classic cars. He cleans them up a little bit, sells them, keeps some for himself, but definitely an enthusiast. I think you guys will enjoy seeing this. Just the old memorabilia is so amazing, and some of the cars are awesome. They're unloading over there right now, but bringing a Buick Riviera they picked up from somewhere back. But I'm gonna walk around and show you guys what we got. So we're out here in Buckeye, Arizona. We're at a place called Ducks Customs, and this is what it looks like when you're walking up to the gate, which is kind of fun. You got a Chevy C10 up there, and a great old used car sign. These trucks are awesome as we come in here, and he's just got stuff a little bit everywhere. This is an old gas station he's making over here. It says Texaco. Great little El Camino that's inside of it. Cute gas station. It says Texaco and stuff on it. Got his little fuel pumps out front. But man, this is everybody's dream to just decorate like this. Got his name written on the fence over here, and got Ducks Customs on the back. That's probably one of the biggest. Is that an Audi sign looking up there? Probably one of the biggest one of those I've seen. Tons of license plates. Just as you look around, this place is great. I mean, so many fun old cars. We'll walk over there a little closer in just a second. Let's walk in through the building and the door here. Great use of a Chevy hood and a windshield right there. I love that old pump and Coke machine, and look at this when you walk inside. I mean, he has been collecting stuff. There are just signs, paint, Sherwin-Williams, just so many things in here. Got an old grill up there, lots of grills. Look at all these. These are a lineup of pumps. I don't even know how to lean back and get all these in, but these are all hand pumps that he's collected. And then license plates, just everywhere. So many license plates. That's a heck of a collection. Not to mention the 64 Galaxy convertible. We got another Chevy convertible, or what is it, Buick Chevy? Oh, man, I think it's Buick convertible or something here. Yeah, Buick. Beautiful. Chevelles. Just goodness, I don't even know where to aim the camera. The stairway going up. Got a couple of tandem bikes in the overhead. Those blinking lights are a little bit annoying, but great. Look at this. Auto parts, Napa signs, DM oil up there, Valvoline, BF Goodrich. Hundreds of more license plates all around this place. Unbelievable. Michelin Man, hey, there you are. Look at that rare convertible right there. Man, that's beautiful. Look at that beautiful little, man, he's got Galaxy, everything in here. GTO Judge, Shell, Cooper tires, BF Goodrich up there. Oh man, Mobile, Texaco. There's just so many things. Got another little duck emblem on the wall over there. Here's your 351 Mustang, 70, looks like. GTO Judge, can't beat that hiding in here. An old V8 Pontiac emblem, that's awesome. We'll get that duck sign in there again, but man, look at that car. Ooh, beautiful Impala, nicely done. A lot of his cars and stuff are for sale, guys. Probably worth checking out. Oh, I can't forget that one. That's one of our favorites. Gotta love those guys over at Goodyear Tire. That's a great sign. Got an amazing collection here of all this stuff. That is a great car right there. I love the big fins. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's swing back out the door here and see what else we've got around the corner. Just so many things. Custom service, some more front ends of cars. We got quite a few cars over here on this side. Great signage up here again. General store. Robert's Minis. purveyor of fine seafood, huh? McKinney's, Robert McKinney's, something like that. Just, gosh, so much stuff. Such a shop, guys. Just got classics everywhere. You can't beat it. You got to come out, take a look, maybe take a classic or two home. He's got another lot not too far from here, just full of cars. I might run over and take a few pictures at it. Gosh, here's another Chevy convertible with big fins. Man, you gotta love this stuff. Oh, look at that. That is a collection of hubcaps. We got another car with a fin over there. That one looks like it might be a possible Ford or something hiding under that wrapping. Oh, and we got a Dart. Look, a demon. Not just a Dart, it's a demon. Lots of orange on that car. A couple of Harleys. Keep going, the hubcaps just keep going. Here's another set of license plates. God, demon. Can't beat demon. Love these cars. That Chevy Suburban right there. Wonder if that's a 2-door one. Sometimes they made a 3-door one. It was really cool. Man, I don't know. Just everything's so much fun here. Got the Chevy hardtop, another Chevy convertible. Man, just so many convertibles. That Legend sign is so cool. They painted that up. I don't know where he got that from, but cool sign. Hey, looky there. Another Mopar. Mopars are just popping into his Chevy collection. Love it. Well, that's about it, guys. That's what we got here. For fun at this spot, I might walk over to that other lot and 2-door Chevy wagon. Gotta love 2-door wagons. That's some of my favorite. But it's just a whole lot of fun here, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little peek of everything. So here I am, guys. This is his back lot just down the road. I wanted to show you guys this. Look at the number of 4x4 Chevy Blazers and the different years, square bodies. Dude, he's got a project for everybody down here. Look at that K5 Blazer there. We got short beds, C10s, so many cars. I'm just kind of walking you guys through it because, you know, you might see this and say, hey, I got to get a hold of that guy and get something. Like, look at that clean little truck right there. I'm telling you, there's a project for everyone. What do we got there? Looks like we got a Dodge, I think. So that's lots of fun right there. A project for everyone. And more convertibles. That one's a little rusty. Gonna tell you that right there. That says that's a 427 convertible. I don't know, maybe. 2-door wagon, another one. There's a 4-door hardtop. Well, that's pretty rare. We got a little bubble top with some rust. Pontiac, another bubble top. Look, we got us a Mopar hiding over there in the corner. Can't beat that. Gotta love a Mopar. There's another big set of fins. He's got plenty of these Buick Invictus. That's a convertible one, and we got a Commando. Got us a couple of International Scouts. They're a little bit rusty. We can take rusty. Oh, now that's a rusty Dodge. I'm not gonna lie. Another Mopar hiding here and a Ford truck. We'll walk up and peek at that rusty Dodge just for fun. It's a short bed, can't beat that. Short box. Who knows how rusty it really is, but man, that's a row of cars, guys. And he said this lot was full here not too long ago, but there you are. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. This is Dale with Old School Rides, and I'm, like I said, out here in Goodyear, Arizona. Check it out. Look at that little, that one says Hickman's on it. I believe his wife or girlfriend or somebody's Hickman. I don't ask too many questions, but man, I do love all of the cars that he's got in here. This El Camino is phenomenal. I don't know if you guys can see that, but hey, thanks for coming. This is Dale with Old School Rides again. Subscribe. Stay with us. We'll find you some more classics out there for you to hang out and cruise through, and who knows, maybe you guys will end up purchasing some of these from one of these locations or even from us. Take care. Old School Rides.